Hello everyone, this is Kelton from Roadware. I have a new pump for Concrete Mender. This new advanced gear pump designed for the aerospace industry can apply Concrete Mender with hand cartridge precision. We're very excited about it. The air-operated application gun has grease purge and is operated in the standing position. No more bending down to fix a crack. The electric-driven Geroller pumps are easily adjustable for speed and pressure. Onboard 8-gallon stainless steel tanks are protected from moisture with a desiccant air dryer. Very convenient for pouring your concrete mender right in there. The system uses standard mixers that can be easily replaced. Here we're just using a 3/8 inch by 32 element mixer, but there's other ones available as well. This one allows you to stand up and repair cracks, not having to bend over. It's much easier on your back. What we really like about these new pumps is they are very simple to use, and look at the precision here. We can just put out a little bit of concrete mender at a time just by dialing in the pressure, and you can fix small cracks. Normally when we'd have a pump like this, we would have products shooting out like a squirt gun and it would go across the room. With these new Geroller pumps, we can actually dial it down to about 20% of its capacity here and make fine crack repairs easily using bulk material and this new pump system. We've never had this kind of precision and slow speed before. We've tried many different pumps and many different brands, but this is the most promising to date. Here, concrete mender is metered and can be mixed and delivered in even these little small cups here, just like you would do a small little spall or a small crack. You can see how slow you can go here. It's easy to go fast with the pump when you're doing concrete mender and shoot it out quickly, but to go slow and stay on ratio is a really difficult way to do it. And these Geroller pumps are just designed for this kind of application. So we're very excited about it. You can use this for crack, joint, or spall repair. You can crank it up, crank it down. Here you can just fill nice and precisely. Also, if you notice when he stops in between cups here, there's no drips. It actually snuffs back the material into the mixer just a little bit, so there's no messy dripping or anything like that. It's almost easier to use than a cartridge. This level of control is not possible with earlier pump designs. With this next generation pump, it will be possible to repair cracks as small as 1/8 inch with higher productivity and lower costs. One really nice feature of the new pump system is the gun heads and the pumps are grease purged to protect them from contaminants between uses. It really cuts down on crystallization inside the pump and inside the gun by using this grease, which can just be purged out when you go into the next use. I'd like to thank Steve Hurt over at Adhesive Systems Technologies for their development work on this pump system, and we look forward to working with it in the future.